One is how much should I charge for the software monthly for a client? Yeah.
So fundamentally, you should try to. I would say in my heart of hearts, I would never ever sell anything for less than $97 a month. And this is at scale. But to
Mm,
local businesses, I would never sell anything for less than $300. And I'll tell you why. Because think what you need to do is price is what you pay, value is what you get. This is a Warren Buffettism.
yep.
So if you're getting me as a local business, let's say like five new customers a month,
Yep.
okay? Without any ad spend, which by the way is possible just based off the phone calls these people miss,
Mm,
$300 times compared to what an average business charges for five customers, not even close. Not even close. What does a new roof cost? What is a average plumber bill? What is the average
true.
whatever bill, right? I mean, I wouldn't sell the florist personally, nothing against florists. I love flowers, but low margin business. But
Yep.
even a florist gets more than $300 off of five customers. So
Yeah. Okay.
what most people run into here again is a confidence issue,
Mm.
right?
It's hard to say it out loud when you've not got anything.
Yeah, exactly. Now, look, you don't have to start that way, right?
Of
You
course.
could start for free, okay? You could, like, honest to God, you can, like, whatever you need to do to build confidence, do it. But again, where you better head is $300 a month because it is absolutely a fair deal. And that is what's great about it. It is the it is the price that most businesses pay for phones,
Mm.
power,
Yeah,
right? Water delivery service, like crap like that.
exactly. I always tell
Okay?
my
So you're
affiliates,
not
their
you're
first
not
client,
like you're not ripping them off.
yeah, literally, I always tell my affiliates, first client, just to get the reps in, just to know what you're doing, always charge like 99 a month. First one
Perfect.
is easy to say, it's
Yeah.
nice, you can get the
Yeah.
reps in, then later on you can go ahead, say the
Yeah.
bigger numbers.
Yeah.
So